Jai Swaminarayan. Today I would like to share with you the story of my life, the story of my second life, for which I'm indebted to Pramukh Swami Maharaj. It was sometime in the middle of 1996 that a very close family member, educated, learned, and was studying astrology. And during the middle of 96, told me that due to certain stars, there was a Mrityu Yoga in my horoscope, a certain death during a particular time given. I was 41 and my son was 11 years old, so obviously I was worried. Philosophically, we all know that there is no certainty except death in life. But when it comes to reality, we all get worried. So I got worried. In that time, I took $1 million insurance of my life and was very, very saddened. हमारे बड़े भाई हैं नितिन भाई गढ़िया जो सत्संग में है. I confided in him and he said, nothing doing. We are going to go and take the blessings of Pramukh Swami Maharaj. I had met Pramukh Swami sometime in 94 in London. मेरे मोसाड में मेरे मामा के घर में सब सत्संगी है एंड हम नितिन भाई को मना नहीं कर सके. सो अराउंड दिसंबर 96 में सूरत मंदिर का उद्घाटन होने जा रहा था एंड ही केम टू दुबई एंड टुक मी टू सूरत. वहाँ पे लाखों लोगों की संख्या थी और प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज वॉज जस्ट सिटिंग इन द कार. सभा में जाने के लिए वहाँ हम पहुँच गए और नितिन भाई ने उन्हें बताया. ही टोल्ड हिम अबाउट माई वरी एंड द इश्यू दैट आई हैड. गाड़ी में बैठने से पहले प्रमुख स्वामी हेल्ड माई राइट हैंड. And today, as I share this intimate moment with you all, I still feel his hand. And he said in pure Gujarati, અમે તમારો હાથ પકડ્યો છે, તમે નહીં છોડાવતા. અને મહારાજને અમે પ્રાર્થના કરશું. With those words, he left for the Sabha and I came back to Dubai the same night. For me, at that point in time, it was a total lack of faith, and I went there because my brother asked me to go. The days passed, and we became more and more tensed. Sometime during February of 97, I got a call from one of the satsangis here that Pramukh Swami is coming sometime in March, and they have been asked to call me to be as a part of the volunteer. हम तो सत्संग में कुछ थे नहीं, हमें पता भी नहीं था. Anyway, I went and sat down in the meetings and the people were planning about Swami Shri's visit. Those were the times when people in Saffron were not seen here, and it was a very momentous occasion. Swami जी का आने की डेट नक्की हो गई and on that a day before रोहित भाई told me कि आप आपकी गाड़ी लेके एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंच जाना. So I went to the airport. In the evening, Swamiji's plane landed. I think we were 4 or 5 people to receive him and the other saints. Swami sat down in the lounge. We met him. I took Ashirwad. અને સ્વામીજીએ ત્યારે નિર્ભય સ્વામી આઈ થિંક હતા. એમણે કીધું કે ઠાકોરજીને અશોકભાઈની ગાડીમાં લઈ જજો. Being a total novice, as probably I am today, I didn't know what it meant. But from then on, Thakurji was in my car and we came to Rohit Bhai's place. There was a small sabha. In the evening, in the night before retiring, प्रमुख स्वामी ने एक छोटी सी मीटिंग बुलाई थी और उन्होंने कहा कल से हमारी सब सभा का इवनिंग सभा का संचालन कोटेचा करेंगे. I told Swami कि स्वामी મને ગુજરાતી આવડતું નથી. And in such an innocent way, he said, આપણે કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં, આપણે અંગ્રેજીમાં સંચાલન કરવું. I had no idea what it meant. Starting from the next day, the Santos, especially Narayan Charan Swami, Brahmvihari Swami, made sure that I was at Rohit Bhai's house at 7 o'clock or even earlier. और पूरा दिन मुझे जाने नहीं देते थे. जब बापा खाने पे बैठते थे तो सब दर्शन के लिए वहाँ पे होते थे. I found it very odd to sit in front of Pramukh Swami while he was having his lunch or dinner or breakfast. If I escaped outside, the Santos would come and pull me inside. Many things happened during the visit of 97. It was the first time that the Indian consulate allowed a spiritual satsang. It was the first time at Happy Umbrella that we did a Suvantula. With 600 people, Sheikh Majid in attendance. It was also the first time that Pramukh Swami was in the desert, and I was one of the few people present there. जब भी उन्होंने कहा था कि अबू धाबी में एक मंदिर होगा, which is a reality now. So the days passed, and he kept me near him. Even in the desert, he made sure that I was in his car. 12 days he stayed here, और यहाँ से बहरीन गए. I went to the airport. I remember the last moment that I saw him going up the stairs of Gulf Air and waving at us. While coming back, I felt an emptiness. I drove home, and there the shock moment came. My wife was standing, reading the predictions that were given by the astrologer. And in that prediction, the dates that were given of my Mrityu Yoga were the same dates that Pramukh Swami Maharaj came to Dubai, held my hand, and did not allow me to go anywhere. The other shocking thing was, which we noticed afterwards, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था उस टाइम प्रमुख स्वामी का एक्चुअल नाम क्या है. And to our surprise, the person had written, and I still have that prediction, and it was in Gujarati, નામ રાશિ સહિત એક ઓલિયો આત્મા જ તમને બચાવી શકે. So, and before he left, I forgot one thing. Before he left, on the evening before he left, मेरे हाथ उन्होंने ब्रह्मविहारी स्वामी के हाथ में दिया. And Pramukh Swami said, आज से हमारा सत्संग का PR, पब्लिक रिलेशन वर्क अशोक भाई कोटेचा करेंगे. I was smiling or laughing. एक सत्संग है 40-50 लोगों का, वहाँ PR क्या करना. But today, as I see my seva and the opportunity given to me to do seva for this mandir, especially on the PR side, I cannot imagine that 97 में Pramukh Swami Maharaj has predicted this and also predicted the seva that he expected of me. Today, as I remember those moments of 97, my eyes are filled with the tears of grace that he bestowed upon me when I was not even a satsangi and I was a non-believer. So his grace still unfolds in my life each day, every day. Jai Swaminarayan.